My name is Pooja Bhandari and I am from TYBA B.Ed A class. My roll number is E18102. The name of my topic is Geomorphology, and in that the topic which I got is Volcano. Geomorphology, Volcano. Meaning of geomorphology. Geomorphology is the study of landforms, their process, form and sediments at the surface of the earth and sometimes on other planets. Study includes looking at landscapes to work out how the earth's surface processes such as air, water and ice can mold the landscape. Landforms are produced by erosion and deposition, as rock and sediment is worn away by these earth's surface processes and transported and deposited to different localities. This is the picture of a volcano. Volcano refers to the eruption of hot molten lava, steam, ashes from below the earth's surface. Here down we can see the red, which is lava. It comes up and on top we can see on that mountain lava is coming outside. So this is called volcano. So let us know how they are formed. When tectonic plates collide and go through the process of subduction, it sets the foundation for the volcano. The overlapping in the tectonic plate causes the magma to break out through the crust, which is causes of volcano's birth. When temperature and pressure arises, the rock melts and moves through the surface and the crust and releases gases and magma. Volcanic eruption occurs. This is a cross section through a volcano. This is how a volcano looks like from inside. Down we can see magma reservoir where magma is there. Next there is a still, then lava. There is a still, this is still, then this is a lava, then this is parasitic cone which we can see came outside, then the top is on top, which top is vent from which lava comes out, and there is a crater, lava flow which is flowing from top to down, conduit or a pipe, it looks like a pipe going from down to the top, and all are ashes, and top there is a ash cloud. Lava flows down and ashes which is lighter go in the air. So let us learn the different terms which we use. So let us learn first meaning of vent. A narrow opening of volcano is called vent. So on top there is this is called vent. This is called vent. Upper part of vent is a cup shaped expression called crater. This is a crater. This is a crater on top. Then the rock material that is naturally ejected during volcanic activities is disposed in the earth's surface, which is called lava. This all red color which is flowing down and coming up is called lava. Pyroclastic flow is fluidized mixture of solid to semi-solid fragments. It is characterized by hot expanding gases that flows down the flank of volcanic edifice. Pyroclastic is mixture of hot solid ashes and other volcanic rocks traveling very quickly down the slopes of volcano. They are one of the most dangerous hazard posed by volcanoes. Next is viscosity, the property of a fluid that resists the force tending to cause the fluid of flow is called viscosity. Magma is molten material beneath or within the earth crust from which igneous rock is formed is called magma. Lava is the molten fluid rock that issues from the volcano is called lava, and which is under the earth is called magma, and the thing which come out is called lava. Ash is the powdery residue of material that remains after burning. When lava burns inside all burning, then ashes come outside, which is called ash. Now let us know what are the causes of volcanic activity. So these are the two pictures of volcano. When a part of Earth's upper mantle or a lower crust melts, magma forms. A volcano is essentially an opening or a vent through which this magma and dissolved gas it contains are discharged. There are several processes associated with mechanism of volcanism. That is a gradual increase of temperature with increasing depth at the rate of 1 degree Celsius from every 32 minutes. Gases and vapors are formed due to heating of water, which reaches underground through percolation. The absence of magma forced by vast volume of gases and water vapor. The occurrence of volcanic eruption. So now let us try to understand the types of volcano. This is the first type of volcano, that is shield volcano. We can see the image. The lava is coming on, it is flowing straightwards. Shield volcanoes are volcanoes that mainly erupt fluid, usually basaltic lava flows that are able to travel over long distance and thus construct over time broad, gentle slopes. They are called shield volcanoes because they resemble the shape of warrior's shield. Shield volcanoes are volcanoes that mainly erupt fluid lava flows that are able to travel over long distance. So as we can see, the lava is there. From there, lava is coming out and it is moving out. So it is long distance traveling. Therefore, even warriors use shield which is look like this. Therefore, it is called as shield volcano. Next is composite volcano. Composite volcanoes are found in destructive plate margins where the oceanic crust sinks beneath the continental crust. Composite volcanoes have the following characteristics, that is acidic lava, which is very viscous or sticky, steep side as the lava doesn't flow very far before it solidifies, alternate layers of ash and lava. For this reason, they are also known as stratovolcanoes. Strato means layers. Violent eruption, longer period between eruption. So this is called composite volcano. The next is cinder cone volcano. A cinder cone is a steep conical hill of loose pyroclastic fragments such as either volcanic clinker, volcanic ashes, or cinder that has been built around a volcanic vent. The pyroclastic fragments are formed by explosive eruptions or lava fountains from a single typically cylindrical vent. As the gas charged lava is blown violently into the air, it breaks into small fragments that solidify and all ice at either cinder, clinkers, or scoria around a vent to form a cone that often is symmetrical with slopes between 30 degree to 40 degree and a nearly circular ground plane. Most cinder cones have a bowl-shaped crater at the summit. So this is a cinder cone volcano. It looks like a cone. Now let us see the stages of volcanoes. There are 3 types of volcano based on different stages in the volcano's life. These are active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. So active volcano means active volcanoes erupt regularly. Example of active volcanoes are Kilauea in Hawaii, Mount Etna in Italy, Mount Stromboli, also in Italy, which has been erupting almost constantly for the last 2,000 years. Active volcanoes are those which are erupting again and again after some period of time. Dormant volcano. This is called dormant volcano. This is dormant volcano. Dormant volcanoes are volcanoes that have not erupted in a long time but are expected to erupt again in the future. Example of dormant volcano are Count Kilimanjaro, Tanzania, Africa, and Mount Fuji in Japan. Dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which have not erupted in a long time. Means for a long period of time it has not erupted. It is like active, but for a long period of time it has not erupted. Therefore it is called dormant volcano. The next one is extinct volcano. Extinct volcanoes are those which have not erupted in human history. Example of extinct volcanoes are Mount Thelson in Oregon in the US and Mount Slash in Co-Anthem. Extincts are those which are volcanoes but they have never erupted. This is the ring of fire. This is the ring of fire. There are volcanoes. Here there is Australia. Here there is Australia, Asia, North America, South America. This is the equator. And this is the Pacific Ocean. Let us know something about ring of fire. It is a zone along the edge of Pacific Ocean that has many volcanoes and earthquakes. A horseshoe-shaped 40,000 km long belt that is characterized by higher volcano activities. Ring of fire is a string of volcanoes that runs around the edges of the Pacific Ocean. The string of 452 volcanoes stretches from the south tip of South America up to the coast of the North America, across the Bering Strait, down through Japan into New Zealand. This is the specific Pacific Ocean, and there are many volcanoes here. So it looks like a ring, that's why it's called a ring of fire. Now let us know something about hot springs and geysers. A natural spring of mineral water at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Celsius or above, found in the area of volcanic activities is called hot spring. Hot spring that intermittently sends up fountains like jet of water and stream into the air is known as geyser. So this is a hot spring. This is a geyser. Effect of volcanic eruption. So there are different effects of volcanic eruption. The effect of volcanic eruption can be divided into primary and secondary effects. Primary effects are immediately and come from the eruption itself. The secondary effect result from the primary effects. Positive effect of volcanic activities. Eruption. Formal landmass rich in mineral. It helps in forming landmass, that is landforms, and also many minerals we can find from that volcanic eruption. Then hazards of volcanic eruptions are primary hazards of volcanic eruptions are volcanic gases are formed because of which many pollutions happens, lava flows which destroy the environment, pyroclastic, large landslide, flooding. These are the hazards. Secondary hazards of volcanic eruptions are food and water supply interrupted. Because of this, food and water supply also get erupted. Then homelessness, people, wildlife, animals have to leave their homes. This loss of life, many people die, many animals die in this work. Loss of job or work, people who are working there have to leave the job there because they are left with no option. Long-term loss of tourism industry. Because of that place, people come to see the places, but when volcano erupted, there no one can go there, and so like that tourism industry collapse. Last conclusion: volcanoes are caused when molten rocks, that is magma, flows out into the earth's crust surface through the fissures that are caused due to the movement of plates. Through volcanic eruptions that are threats to human life, the areas where the eruptions have taken place are useful too. They have helped to create beautiful Hawaii land and island. The areas are rich in mineral. Volcanic eruption heavy cause heavy damages to human life and property. Thank you.